The Lumberjack 20-ton two-way log splitter is an excellent option for splitting large amounts of wood on a lifestyle block, farm, or other commercial application. With its powerful Kohler 196cc petrol engine powering its hydraulic oil pump, this splitter pumps out an impressive 20 tons of splitting force, allowing the user to quickly and efficiently convert felled trees, trunks, and logs into firewood. It features a 50mm tow hitch, allowing you to hook it up to a vehicle to easily maneuver on site. Its wide log cradles make it less likely to drop splitting logs, resulting in safer operation. The splitter uniquely operates in both directions, allowing you to make splits on the ram's return. This means twice as many splits per cycle. Couple this with the 4-way splitting head, and you can quickly maximize your overall output. If you're in the market for a new splitter, this could be a great option for you. At TopmaQ, we offer a great range of splitters that may be better suited to your needs. You can check out this great video on our entire range up here, or there are links below. Make sure you get on down and check out our full range of log splitters and more in store or online at topmac.co.nz. I'm Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.